Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. This video probably won't be the most exciting one in the world, but just when I was servicing the Mini at the weekend, I just noticed that the rocker cover was getting a little bit tired looking, so I thought I would just give it a little bit of a spruce up and sort of tidy under the bonnet a little bit, getting rid of the bit of the bling and a little bit more subtle. So yeah, so we'll see how it turns out. So this is the rocker cover of the Traveller. Like I said, reason I went for the Ollie one to begin with was I was able to get a stub pipe welded onto it for an external oil catch tank, which is then fed via the MGB coolant pipe into the catch tank. So that was the reason why I went for it to begin with, and it was already had been cut out the little notches for the extra studs in the head. So that was the reason why I went for it to begin with, but it is getting a little bit tired now. So if I just take the T-bolt side cap off just to show you. So there's a little bit tarnishing in places, a few scores, but generally it's in pretty good shape. They're all in, just again a few bits of tarnish around the back of it, which isn't really terribly important, but it's all well cleaned now. I got the gaskets off it and give it a good clean with engine degreaser, but maybe just next stage I'll take the stickers off it and give it a wipe over with just another panel wipe again, just to get all the greasy fingers off it, and then they give it a go with the paint. So I'm just going to use this, which I got from Halfords. I know others are available, but this is just standard very high temperature paint in black. I was originally going to go for the crinkle finish, but I wasn't able to get it at the time, so everywhere seemed to be sold out of it, so I'm just going to go with the standard finish on it at this stage. Maybe I'll change it to crinkle at a later date, but yeah, let's get the stickers off it, give it a wipe down, and see how it turns out. Okay, so that's the stickers off now, and I've panel wiped the whole thing back down again, so it should hopefully be clear of any greasy fingerprints and so on now. So right, let's hit it with paint, and yeah, hopefully it turns out alright. Okay, so there's the first coat on anyway, and yeah, this is maybe a little greasy bit I missed, but we'll give it another wee go later once that one dries, and looks better already. So we'll come back shortly whenever that dries and hit it with another coat. Okay, so I gave it another coat, which I didn't film there. I thought there's no point in showing the same thing twice, but it with two coats, you can see that I shot it in, sorry, came out really well. It's got that sort of nice matte finish to it. There's a little bit here which I'm not too sure about, but maybe once it dries fully I'll give it another coat and just let it dry overnight and come back to it. But yeah, I'm very happy with the way that's turned out. Even if I set in the T-bolts, even put on the lid loosely, I think that looks pretty smart. Yeah, so it's gonna look quite smart with the BLAAAACK T-bolts and rock on cover there as well. Yeah, I think that's turned out pretty well. So whenever that fully dries, we'll come back maybe tomorrow and put it back on the car again. So yeah, see you tomorrow. Hi, welcome back. So it's the next day and we're going to get ready now to put the rocker cover back on. I had a check at it. It's had 3 coats of the high temperature paint and it's all looking really good. So yeah, let's get the temporary one on just to keep the dust out, get that whipped off, and then get the new one fitted. Okay, handle it. Okay, so there's the rocker cover refitted, again with the BLAAAACK T-bolts and the stainless steel cap, and I've replumbed it again as well into the oil catch tank. I might paint the catch tank up just to match the rocker cover. Haven't 100% decided on that yet. Now that everything's kind of gone black, that's maybe sitting out there a little like a sore thumb, so possibly might paint it. What I have done is repainted the radiator up. It was getting a bit flaky in a few places. It's not the world's best finish, but at least it looks a bit better anyway, and I'm not going for a show car finish. So yeah, that's that little job finished. I think it looks pretty good. Okay, so that's that little job done, and I think it looks pretty good. So yeah, on to the next one. So if you like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already, and click on the little bell icon for a notification of future videos. So thanks again for watching, and see you on a future video.